Or maka yi, which we did in third week, right? The yi. Na means that this one, right? Okay. Eku ara feraku. Everybody say Eku ara feraku. My condolences for your loss. Ara feraku. Ara feraku. Ara fera, together. We are together, we're holding you, but ku. Minus. Ku. Not kun. Not ku. Ku. It goes down now. And that is we'll be talking about that down accent. There's a lot deeper into that as well. They said everything down. Notice that most of the Yoruba words you will hear, if it's going down, mostly it's depressive stuff. It's depression, right? If it's going down. Yoruba will say, Ohun buruku ama relu ohun buruku, ohun buruku ama relu ohun buruku. Buruku, down. So, and that ku also could be explained as the remaining. What is remaining? Nothing. When it's in English, it's clearer, right? What's remaining in the basket? What's remaining in the bowl of fruits? Nothing. Araferaku, nothing in there anymore. Eku ìnáwó. Eku ìnáwó. You see that? Well, I'm speaking like this. If I turn around, this becomes my right hand, right? My left hand. So, you right? You see that? That's how you're going to get it. You get it by associating the marks to the sound and then put it on the word. When you see the word anywhere else, you'll be able to identify it. Right? Ẹ kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o.
Ẹ kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o.
Ẹ kú ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún o. Compliments of the season, but that's literally that's not what they are saying. They are saying you are gathering stuff to travel, because people used to go to Lagos to live, or the big cities to live, and then go back to their real home. And then whatever harvest they have, harvest could be money you made that year, and most of the time it's usually during the end of a Ramadan season or end of year in Nigeria, which is like December, and then they will say, Eku ìpalẹ̀mọ́ ọdún. That means you are gathering stuff to take home. And when you get home, you're not just going to sit down and eating your own stuff. You're going to give the old men, the old women, the little kids that you find at home, you're going to encourage them, all that yearly. All right? Ere is what?
Profit.
Profit, yes. And also what? Reward. And also what?
Money.
Ere. Well, yeah, literally money if it's profit.
Consequence.
Very good. Consequence. And also harvests. Harvest. Right? That's thanks for helping me with that. Consequence is when you're thinking about it in terms of negativity, right? Yeah. You say, well, you will see the result of your action. Yeah, you have bad choices, right? Ìròyìn kò tó àfojú. Say it. ìròyìn kò tó àfojúbà. It's a metaphor, right? It's a metaphor that, oh, you should be there. You should have seen what happened. This is exactly what happened there. It was, magnificent. The guy was fantastic. You need to come and see his performance. This, that. Ìròyìn kò tó àfojúbà. Seeing is believing. Last one there says, ṣé ajé ń wá? Ajé. Is Ajé a person? Ajé is what? Ajé is commerce.
Goods.
The work of your hands. Your business.
Your business. You can look at it that way. But where did the word Ajé come from?
God of prosperity.
God of prosperity.